Hello, welcome to South Central Service Cooperative's Tech Tuesday. My name is Joanne Womack. I'm the Technology Coordinator Integrationist here at the Co-op, and I will be your host. I hope you enjoyed this week's session. Today I'm going to talk about how to use your phone or tablet as a document camera in Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. I'm going to start with Google Meet. So I have actually started this Meet from my Google Classroom. You can start it any way that you would like. On my phone, I have the Classroom app as well, and I have clicked on the camera in there to join that meet. I'm going to mute myself, and I'm going to hit join. Now you notice that I am broadcasting from my phone, and I'm going to show this right here. I purchased this from Amazon, and basically it holds your camera for you so that you can use it as a camera. So I'm going to get it situated, and I'm going to put it in my holder. Okay. And then now I can write on it. And that's how you do a document camera in Google Meet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone or tablet as a document camera in Teams, Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you want to do is start your team meeting on your computer. Then on your phone or tablet, you're going to open the Teams app. And when you're already logged in, you can just go to that team and the meeting's already started, so you just click join. The next thing it's going to do is going to ask you if you want to add this device or transfer to this device. And in this instance, you want to add the device because you still want to have it on your computer as well. So it's like you're in the meeting twice. Now you want your camera muted, your microphone muted, and your sound muted so you don't have any feedback and you don't make anybody crazy by having your computer or your camera on. Okay, so with your device, there's three little dots next to where you hang up, and you're going to click that. You're going to click on Share. You're going to share screen. Now, what comes up here is Screen Broadcast. It has a little check mark next to Microsoft Teams, and you start broadcast. It's going to count it down, and you should see that pop up on the screen. Yes, there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of this and go to my home screen, and you're going to start seeing that. And I'm going to go to my camera. Once there, I'm going to place it in this holder that I purchased from Amazon, and I can start writing my sentences. I can do math problems, anything you would use a document camera for. I hope this helps and gives you some tips. Thanks for joining. Hi, this tip is using your iPhone or iPad as a document camera in Zoom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my iPhone. I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to turn the camera app on. I'm just going to hit camera, and you notice the camera's on. The next thing I have is I have a stand, and you can use any stand that you want. This holds my iPhone. You might think about holding one holds an iPad, or Google how to use it and how to make your own stand. And that way, maybe you wouldn't have to spend any money. So I have it on. I'm going to put it in my holder. Notice I've got the back facing down, because if you don't do it that way, it doesn't mirror your text. Now, there's probably another way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it today. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cable for my iPhone, the charging cable. I have it hooked into my computer, and I'm just going to plug it in to my phone. Next thing I'm going to do inside of Zoom is I'm going to hit share screen. Now the options come up for you to choose what you want to share. And normally I choose desktop, but in this case I want to choose iPhone, iPad, and then I'm going to hit share. And you notice that my phone is camera is on, and I'm looking at my text that I've written here, and I can write, I can underline, I can do whatever we need to do. So there you go. There's your document camera and Zoom. I hope you enjoyed it.